how Oilsyn Nano C5 was developed, and how it helped Wojciech racing team lead the FIM Endurance World Championship. Oilsyn Poland was contacted by Wojciech Racing Team in late 2020. They are a privateer motorcycle racing team competing in the FIM EWC Superstock class for 24-hour motorcycle endurance racing. At the time, the team was unable to compete due to a lack of pace and, more importantly, poor reliability. The engineers were unable to maintain safe engine temperatures and suffered multiple failures such as blown engine gaskets or complete engine seizures. Engine temperatures would exceed 100 degrees Celsius and often reach over 110 degrees without notice. This forced the riders to slow down to protect the engine. Unlike factory teams, resources are limited and engine modifications are prohibited in the Superstock class. They needed a solution. Oilsyn's R&D manager Wojciech Wyszkowski got to work and started with extensive oil analysis and testing. In 2021, the team started testing custom oil additive formulations to reduce friction and operating temperatures, and thus improve reliability and performance. These formulations had to improve lubricity without interfering with wet clutch systems. This led to the development of Oilsyn's Nano C5, an anti-wear additive designed to withstand extreme temperatures and loads. Operating temperatures were reduced to manageable levels, and the riders could push the engines to their limits, even in over 30-degree ambient and 50-degree track temperatures. Reliability no longer became an issue, and post-race engine teardowns showed very little wear after trainings, qualifications, and 24 hours of flat-out racing. Engine oil consumption during each race reduced significantly by 2 to 3 times. They are now the fastest in the Superstock class. The team was further impressed when a rider crashed during a race at Spa, which cracked the engine case. Yet to the amazement of the engineers, and due to the performance of Nano C5, the engine still performed at full power without failure. Wojciech Racing Team now uses Nano C5 in with the oil and P-Tech Petrol Doctor before each race week. With the help of Nano C5, the team achieved impressive results during the 2022 season, including a 2-time pole position in one season, a feat that no other Polish team in history had achieved prior. Oilsyn Nano C5, actual benefits, honest results.